Class 10 History Rise of Nationalism in India Part 3. Why Non-Cooperation Movement? First we will discuss about why non-cooperation. In our previous video, we have learned about the Rowlatt Act of 1919 and Khilafat movement. At Calcutta session of Congress in September 1920, a resolution was passed to launch a non-cooperation movement in support of Khilafat as well as for Swaraj. Today we are going to learn about non-cooperation movement. Mahatma Gandhi, in his famous book Hind Swaraj, declared that British rule was established in India with the cooperation of Indians. If Indians refused to cooperate British rule in India would collapse within a year and Swaraj would come. Let us see how could non-cooperation became a movement. First, to understand what is non-cooperation, non-cooperation means failure of refusal to cooperate, especially as a form of protest. Gandhiji proposed that the movement should unfold in stages. At first stage, it was decided that surrender of the titles which were awarded by the British government. At second stage, boycott of civil services, army, police, courts, and legislative councils. Boycott of foreign goods, schools, and colleges. Let us see what is boycott. Boycott is the refusal to deal and associate with people or participate in activities or buy and use things, usually a form of protest. Congress had decided that in case the government use repression, a full civil disobedience campaign should be launched. Some Congress leaders were reluctant to boycott the council elections scheduled because they feared that the movement might lead to popular violence. There was an intense tussle within the Congress over this issue. Finally, in the Congress session at Nagpur in December 1920, a compromise was worked out and the non-cooperation was adopted. The non-cooperation and Khilafat movement began in January 1921. Various social groups participated in this movement, but each with its own specific aspirations. They have their different strands, different aspirations to participate in non-cooperation movement. In the next video, we will learn how different social groups conceive the idea of non-cooperation. Thanks.